My name is Brandon Aota, and I'm going to show you how to move objects around using Adobe Photoshop. All right, so what do we have here? We have a circle on an artboard, and we're going to move this circle around using the what? You guessed it, baby. The Move tool, because this is the tool that moves things. So what are we going to do? We're going to hold down the left click button on this mouse. We're going to hover over the circle. Hold down the left click, right? Hold it down. Don't just click it once. Okay, hold it down and then drag. Drag, baby. You can move it wherever you want it. You can move it off the artboard. Well, it's going to chop it off as you can see, but you can move it wherever you want to move it. You want to move it down here. You want to move it over here. Maybe you want to move it up there. That's one way you can move objects on an artboard. Another way you can move objects, let's say you don't want to use the mouse. Let's say you want to use the keyboard. Where there's these things, these arrows on the keyboard that go, you have an up arrow, left arrow, right arrow, down arrow. Guess what? If I hit the up arrow, let's hold it down so you can see. You see how it's moving up? I'm holding down the up arrow and I'm moving it up. How amazing is that? What do you think is going to happen if I hold down the down arrow? Which direction do you think it's going to move? Wow. Technology, man. It's amazing. One more trick. If you want to use the arrows, but you see how small those movements are? Maybe you want to move it a little bit quicker than that. Because we got things to do, baby. People want things done. You got to get it done quick. Hold down the shift key and then do the same thing. You use the arrow, but look at the increments. Look at how fast it's moving around. We're going to move it left. We're going to move it right. We're going to move it all the way around, baby. And that concludes today's tutorial. I want you to get on these Photoshop programs and I want you to move things around. I want you to move them around to where you want them to be. Don't move them where I'm telling you to move them. Move them where you want to move them.